We are going to do a walkthrough of a Simimpianti 55-inch by 125-inch solid steel Platen feed-through hot press rated at 330 tons. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a hard-to-find configuration for a hot press. Often, Simimpiantis are twice as long, if not longer, and take up far too much space for many shops. This Simimpianti model RACB 33.14.32 feed-through press features solid steel platens and has a maximum rated pressure of 330 tons. The solid steel platens measure 1400 by 3200 millimeter, or roughly 55 inches by 125 inches, while the maximum daylight opening is 140 millimeter, or 5.5 inches. This feed-through press includes a knife table along with infeed and outfeed tables. The 100 kilowatt Chromalox heaters have 4 controllable 25 kilowatt zones and use readily available Shell diathermic oil and are rated to 700 degrees Fahrenheit.